is the final product. I'm gonna show you everything we installed on this Toyota Tacoma 2025. The first thing I wanna talk to you about are the TonnoFlip roof rack. If you wanna carry something on top of your roof, you can just slide it out, use them on this position. Now you're able to carry anything you want. Now you fold them back in. And this is how they look, completely perfect fitment, OEM. As you can see here, there is no gap, perfect fitment, TonnoFlip original roof racks. Now I'm gonna show you the TonnoFlip door visor. Flush fitment, black pelt. You can crack the windows down a little bit if it's raining and no water is gonna come inside. We also installed the nerf bars so you can step inside. A lot of people like the nerf bars on these kind of trucks so they can get easily inside the truck. And we installed the TonnoFlip hard folding tonneau cover. You have two prop rods so you can drive with the cover fully open. You get 100% access to your bed, tri-folding with aluminum panels. It sits flush on the bed, close it up, and this is how it looks once it's completely closed. Water resistant hard folding tonneau cover with a lifetime warranty from TonnoFlip. Another thing we installed is the interior floor aligners. This is a very important thing to install if you don't want to damage your floor. Perfect fitment. These are the TonnoFlip interior floor aligners. And here in the back, everything is protected. The center hump, the sides, it goes underneath the seat here. We have raised edges all over, perfect fitment. If you want to protect the interior of your Tacoma or any pickup truck, you can get the best floor liners in our website, TonnoFlip.com. Another thing is the TonnoFlip bed mat. Look at that, perfect fitment, also with raised edges. So anything that's spilled here is just gonna stay inside the bed mat. It's gonna prevent any damage to the truck, any scratches, any dents. Rubber material. If you have anything in the back, it's not gonna be shifting forward so easily. This material is gonna prevent that from happening. As you can see on this Tacoma, full protection, hard folding cover, bed mat, interior floor aligners, roof racks, nerf bars, and all these you're gonna be able to get it at TonnoFlip.com, launching soon. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like truck mods.